जैसे कि मैंने कहा था कि मैं ये चैनल स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ, तो आज एक न्यू वीडियो में डाउनलोड करूँगा, जो अपलोड करूँगा मैं क्लास 12 का रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन चैप्टर। और देखिए ये साउंड और ये जो विजिबिलिटी है इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पर घर पे आया था और लॉकडाउन में स्टक हो गया घर पर, और मैं दूसरी जगह नौकरी करता हूँ, तो वहाँ पर सेटअप है मेरा। तो यहाँ पर इतना ज़्यादा सेटअप तो नहीं है, किसी तरह मैंने मैनेज किया है कि ये लॉकडाउन बोर हो रहा हूँ, इसलिए ये चैनल स्टार्ट कर दिया। अब देखता हूँ कि क्या होता है। और देखिए अगर साफ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है और ये जो सेटअप अगर ठीक नहीं लग रहा है तो कमेंट में कमेंट करिए। तो मैं लॉकडाउन के बाद जब मैं अपने घर पे स्टार्ट करूँगा तो वहाँ पर सेटअप है अच्छी तरह, इससे वहाँ पर है सेटअप है, तो वहाँ पर मैं ठीक तरह से क्लास कर सकता हूँ। तो टिल देन जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड माई प्रॉब्लम एंड जो भी हो, अब क्लास करना है ये बड़ा चीज़ है, और कोशिश करता हूँ कि आप लोगों को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हेल्प कर सकूँ और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यहाँ पर आपको सिखा सकूँ, यही मेरा टाइम टारगेट है। हाँ, तो शुरू करते हैं। कि जैसे कि देखिए ये रिलेशन फंक्शन चैप्टर जो है, रिलेशन फंक्शन चैप्टर ये क्लास 11th में भी है और क्लास 12th में भी है। तो क्लास 11th में जो रिलेशन फंक्शन चैप्टर है वो बेसिक लेके है, ओके। और ये जो 12th स्टैंडर्ड का जो रिलेशन फंक्शन चैप्टर है वो तो एडवांस स्टैंडर्ड का है। तो इसमें जैसे हम लोगों को पहले रिलेशन फंक्शन चैप्टर मिला था, सो वहाँ पर हम लोग कॉन्सेप्ट मिला है रिलेशन फंक्शन का, क्या है रिलेशन और क्या है फंक्शन। जैसे रिलेशन क्या होता है, फंक्शन क्या होता है, both are actually mapping. Mapping means what? The bonding or the relation between the two elements or two sets. Okay. So ये जो मैपिंग और बॉन्डिंग का बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, तो ये मैपिंग और बॉन्डिंग कैसे होता है, तो ये होने के लिए देखिए एक गाइडलाइन आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया जाएगा, या फिर आपको कॉन्सेप्ट में जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पर डिस्कस किया जाएगा उसमें दिया जाएगा कि ये गाइडलाइन आपको फॉलो करना है, और उसी गाइडलाइन में आपको ये मैपिंग और बॉन्डिंग बनाना है, ओके। तो यहाँ पर ये जो गाइडलाइंस हैं, और गाइडलाइंस ये क्वेश्चन के ऊपर बेस करता है, इट विल एक्चुअली वेरी क्वेश्चन टू क्वेश्चन, बट इट विल नॉट बी फिक्स्ड एक्चुअली, तो एक्चुअली इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्वेश्चन मेकर। सो रिलेशन और फंक्शन चैप्टर जो है, इसमें रिलेशन पहले मैं बोल देता हूँ कि थोड़ा सा छोटा छोटा कॉन्सेप्ट मैं थोड़ा बोल देता हूँ। जैसे 11th में हम लोग को रिलेशन में मिला था कि कैसे हम लोग रिलेशन सेट बनाएंगे, क्या रिलेशन है, ऑर्डर पेयर क्या है, और सेट का कॉन्सेप्ट तो आपको पता ही होगा। सेट मतलब क्या है, द कलेक्शन ऑफ सम वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स। वेल डिफाइंड मतलब क्या है, मतलब जिसको हम लोग देख सकते हैं। That means the which things in our surroundings that we can see. So जिसको हम देख सकते हैं, that we can feel कर सकते हैं, उसको बोला जाता है कि वेल डिफाइंड है। तो जैसे आप लोगों को कोई बोले कि नहीं आप भूतों का एक सेट बनाइए, तो भूतों का सेट यहाँ पर नहीं बनता, क्योंकि भूत यहाँ पर एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता। तो अगर कोई भूतों का सेट बनाने के लिए बोले तो भूत का सेट नहीं होता है इसमें, ओके। तो इसलिए बोला गया है कि सेट मतलब क्या है, एक कलेक्शन ऑफ वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स, ओके। सो वेल डिफाइंड मतलब क्या है, जो हम लोग फील कर सकते हैं, जो आंखों से देख सकते हैं, okay? जिसको हम लोग मतलब जो देख सकते हैं वही हम लोग का वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स है। जैसे यहाँ पर मैथमेटिक्स में जैसे नेचुरली जो मार्केट में जो मिलता है, जैसे सेट ऑफ बुक्स, सेट ऑफ शूज, सेट ऑफ पेन्स, सेट ऑफ कॉपीज, जस्ट लाइक दैट। तो यहाँ पर मैथमेटिक्स में सेट कलेक्शन ऑफ वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स। सो वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर नंबर लेके हम लोग डील करेंगे, क्योंकि मैथमेटिक्स का बात हो रहा है। तो यहाँ पर नंबर लेके जब हम लोग डील करेंगे, 1 2 3 4 डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ सेट्स विल बी देयर, एंड जस्ट लाइक योर रियल नंबर सेट, नेचुरल नंबर सेट, इंटीजर सेट, होल नंबर सेट, रेशनल नंबर सेट, इरेशनल नंबर सेट, जस्ट लाइक दैट, ओके। सो यहाँ पर दो सेटों के बीच जब हम लोगों को एक मैपिंग बनाना है, एक रिलेशन बनाना है, तो वो मैपिंग क्या होता है, डिपेंड करता है कैसे हम लोग को ये दो सेटों के बीच रिलेशन बनाना है। जैसे हम लोग देखिए नॉर्मल लाइफ में जो रिलेशन है, जो relation between two human beings. Different kinds of relations are there. Friendship relation are there, father-mother relation are there, and then different types of relations are there. Okay, so okay, मैं as a human being, okay, I have a relation with each and every Indian. As you all know that every Indian is my brother and sister. So that means I am constructing a relation, okay, with each and every Indians as brothers and sisters. Okay, so यहाँ पर देखिए रिलेशन जो है नॉर्मल है, एक वो ब्लड रिलेशन नहीं है लेकिन एक नेचुरल रिलेशन है जो हम लोग यहाँ पर हम लोग को मोरल थिंकिंग और मोरल जो है मोरल जो मोरलिटी है हम लोग का उसमें ये बोला जाता है कि नहीं ये जो है सब इंडियंस हम लोग का भाई बहन है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर भाई बहन मतलब एक रिलेशन है. ठीक है, तो ये रिलेशन जो है मैपिंग है, बॉन्डिंग है दो इंसानों के बीच. ओके, तो यहाँ पर भी मैथमेटिक्स में दो एलिमेंट्स के बीच और दो नंबर्स के बीच बॉन्डिंग होता है. ओके, अब दो बॉन्डिंग के लिए तो ये जो मैपिंग होता है, ये मैपिंग के लिए दो सेट चाहिए. तो एक सेट होगा ए सेट, दूसरा सेट होगा बी सेट. अब ए सेट में रहेगा मैं ए सेट में रहूंगा. ठीक है, और जितना सारा बाकी इंडियन है वो बी सेट में रहेगा. अब ए सेट के साथ बी सेट का मुझे रिलेशन बनाना है. क्या रिलेशन बनाना है कि मुझे भाई बहन का रिलेशन कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है. तो अगर मैं भाई बहन का रिलेशन बनाऊंगा यहाँ पर, तो यहाँ पर मेरे साथ हर एक इंडियन का रिलेशन बनेगा. कैसे देखो यहाँ जैसे ये एक just a minute. यहाँ पर देखो एक सेट तो मैं हूँ, इसमें एक सेट में ए सेट, उसमें मैं हूँ. ठीक है, अभी और ये दूसरे सेट में बी सेट है इसका नाम, उसमें हर एक इंडियन लोग हैं. अब अभी क्या करेगा, हर एक इंडियन के साथ एक मैपिंग बनाएगा. ठीक है, क्या मैपिंग और क्या बॉन्डिंग है. बॉन्डिंग है क्या है, ये भाई बहन का बॉन्डिंग है. दैट मीन्स ए रिलेशन is being constructed between me and all the Indians. Okay? So ये रिलेशन कंस्ट्रक्ट होने के बाद एक पेयर तो यहाँ पर बनेगा. ये पेयर जो है क्या है, व्हाट इज द पेयर हियर, जैसे अभी एंड दिस फर्स्ट इंडियन I1, इंडियन नंबर 1. ओके, सो I1 एंड देन अभी I2 and then a week I3, just like that. तो यहाँ पर देखो ऐसे बहुत सारा करोड़ों 130 पॉपुलेशन है हम लोग का कंट्री का. तो यहाँ पर पेयर तो बनेगा भी 130 पेयर बनेगा. सो यहाँ पर देखो ऐसे तो ऑर्डर पेयर बोला जाता है इसको. ये सब जो पेयर्स हैं ऑर्डर पेयर बोला जाता है. तो ऑर्डर पेयर मतलब क्या है कि एक पेयर बनेगा जिस पेयर में कुछ ऑर्डर मेंटेन किया जाता है. ठीक है, क्या ऑर्डर कि सपोज यहाँ पर देखो एसेट मैंने लिया है, ये रैंडमली जस्ट आई हैव चूज. सो 1 2 3 4 5 एंड बी सेट क्या है 3 4 5 6 7. Now we are going to construct a relation between A and B. So it is your A set, it is your B set. So यहाँ पर देखो 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. Now we are going to construct a relation between these two sets. Okay. Now here you can see with this one we can construct a relation with this 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7. So after constructing this mapping or relation between these two elements, some order pairs will be constructed, and the order pairs like 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7. ओके, जैसे 2 चूज करेंगे हम लोग, अब 2 के साथ 3 का, 2 के साथ 4, 2 के साथ 5, 2 के साथ 6, 2 के साथ 7. So ऐसे ही 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7 ऐसे बनता रहेगा यहाँ पर. ऐसे ही यहाँ पर पेयर्स बनता रहेगा. ऐसे करते करते 5 का भी होगा, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7 पेयर बनेगा. तो सब ऑर्डर पेयर्स मिला के जो कलेक्शन बनता है, it means this collection. And the collection means what? A set. And set is denoted by second bracket actually. So this second bracket will have to be used. So, and it will be closed here. So after getting all the collections, after this getting these collections of all the order pairs, a set will be constructed, and this set is called the relation set. Okay. So here you can see with every element, with every number of the first set, the relation is being constructed with every elements of the second set, and some order pairs is being constructed, and this order pairs, actually the collection of all the order pairs is actually is being comprised in a set. Okay? And this second bracket denotes this set actually, and this set is called the relation set, or A cross B. This is the cross product of two sets. Okay, so product of two sets. You can also say this set is a product set, A cross B. Okay, अब A cross B में से अगर मैं कुछ order pairs collect कर लूँ, ये A cross B भी one kind of relation है. A cross B भी one kind of relation है. This one kind of relation. But if you choose some, if you collect some order pairs from this set, then another order pair set will be created, and this order pair set also can be expressed as a relation set. Okay, so this relation set means what? Relation between the mapping between the two sets by following some guidelines or by following some given condition for constructing different kinds of order pairs. And order pair क्यों बोला जाता है? Why it is called this order pair? All these pairs, why it is called as order pair? Order pair because this all the pairs you can see in all the order pairs, the first elements belong to the first set, and the second element belong to the second set. Okay, so that's why this pairs are called order pairs. So these are the basic concepts regarding the relation chapter. Okay, now we will have to proceed to the next phase of this relation part, and this actually the reflexive, symmetric, transitive and the equivalence relation. Okay? So there are 4 types of relations. Okay? Reflexive, I think you didn't get this didn't get this relations in 11th classes. Now this parts will have to be introduced in class 12 also. So I need to describe, and I actually I need to evolve this 4 properties or 4 concepts in my lecture. So it is the title of this lecture for today's discussion, and actually the reflexive, symmetric, transitive and the equivalence relation of a set, of a relation set. Okay? So these are the basic concepts actually. So how many relation sets are there? 4 types of relations are there. Okay? First one is what? Reflexive. You can just pen paper लो और शुरू करो लिखना. Reflexive property. Then symmetric property, then symmetric property, then third transitive property, and fourth equivalence relation. Okay, so four properties are there and four concepts regarding this relation you have in this relation function chapter in class 12. So one by one we will discuss it. We will discuss each and every concepts elaborately and try to understand very sincerely, and just actually take pen and actually the copy, and just whatever I will tell you, just write it. Okay, and the definitions will be provided in the PDF format. Okay, and I will send you the link, and just you can download all the PDFs from the given link. Okay, now the first one these are the four types of relations. So now the first one is what? Reflexive property. So which relation is called reflexive relation? Reflexive relation means what? There are different types of relations. Okay, just in the practical field, different types of relations are there. Okay, so in different types of relations, some kind of relations are there, just like your just a relation between me and myself. A relation between me and myself. That means मुझसे मेरा रिश्ता. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना मुझसे मेरा रिश्ता. Okay, तो जैसे सपोज मैं एक एग्जांपल दूं कि मैं एक आईने के सामने खड़ा हूँ. Okay, तो आईने के सामने खड़े होने के बाद my image will be plotted inside the mirror. So whatever I will act, right, while I am standing in front of a mirror, just if I acting something in front of a mirror, then the same thing will be imposed in that mirror and will be imposed on my image also. So my image will also act like me, whatever I am doing. Okay, so here the relation is being constructed between me and myself, which is actually plotted inside the mirror. So here the relation is between me and myself. Okay, so here if my name is A and my image name will also be A, because both are same human being. I am A, so my image will also be A. So a order pair is being constructed here. Here A comma A order pair, A comma A order pair is being constructed. So if this kind of order pair belongs to the relation set, then this relation set is called a reflexive relation. Just like your order pair 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, dot, 100, 100. So this type of order pairs will be there in the relation set. So if this relation set is reflexive, okay, so now you will see, if a relation, if this order pair A comma B belongs to R, okay, so if A equals to B, अगर यहाँ पर B और A equal हो जाए, if both elements are same, then the order pair will be A comma A belongs to R. Okay, so if this type of order pair will belong to the relation set, then this relation set is called R is reflexive. R is reflexive. Okay, तो यहाँ पर एक relation set तुम बनाओगे, right? You will construct a relation set first. Right? So this order pair belong to this relation set. So among of all the order pairs, if at least one order pair is looking like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, then you will actually you can say this relation set is the reflexive relation set. Okay, so for example, if I take an example here, R relation set equals to some order pairs are there, 1, 1, 1, 2. Suppose just I have chosen some order pairs randomly, so it is not the question part. So 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, just like that. Okay, so here you can see this 1, 1 order pair belongs to this relation set. Okay, So if this kind of relation set will belong to the relation, this kind of order pairs belongs to the relation set, then this relation, this set is called the reflexive relation. Just like here, this A comma A, where the first element below and the second element below will be same. Okay. This next part is symmetric property. Okay. Symmetric property. Symmetric property. Symmetric property. What do you mean by symmetric property here? Symmetric property. Okay. Symmetric property देखो मैं और मेरा दोस्त बैठा हूँ एक जगह, गप्पे मार रहे हैं, ठीक है। अब देखो, अब क्या करते हैं, मेरा नाम ए है, my friend's name is B. Now we are sitting together and just we are gossiping about something. So now अगर मेरा दोस्त मेरे जगह आके बैठ जाए और मैं उसके जगह जाके बैठ जाऊँ, तो क्या हम लोग दुश्मन बन जाएंगे? क्या दुश्मन तो नहीं बनेंगे, फ्रेंड तो फ्रेंड ही रहेंगे, जहाँ पर भी बैठे क्या होता है। ओके, सो यहाँ पर देखो मैं ए हूँ और मेरा दोस्त बी है, तो एक ऑर्डर पेयर बनता है यहाँ पर फ्रेंडशिप का। तो यहाँ पर देखो एक ऑर्डर पेयर ए कोमा बी, ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरा फ्रेंड, एक रिलेशन हम लोगों के बीच है। सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस ऑर्डर पेयर बिलोंग टू एस रिलेशन सेट। नाउ अब अगर क्या होगा, बी ए के जगह आ जाए, ए बी के जगह चला जाए, तो क्या होता है, ऑर्डर पेयर क्या बन जाता है, बी कोमा ए। तो अब बी कोमा ए आ जाए तो फ्रेंडशिप चेंज हो जाएगा क्या? फ्रेंडशिप तो चेंज नहीं होगा। तो फ्रेंडशिप चेंज नहीं होगा, दैट मींस क्या, वो फ्रेंड ही रहेंगे। तो फ्रेंड रहेंगे मतलब क्या है, रिलेशन भी यहाँ पर बना रहेगा। तो रिलेशन अगर बना रहेगा तो इट मींस बिलोंग्स टू द रिलेशन सेट। सो इफ this type of order pairs will belong to the relation set, then this relation is called symmetric relation. If you take some example here, for example, if your relation is 1,3, 1,5, 1,6, suppose 3,1, 3,2, 3,5, just like that. Okay, so here you can see 1,3 and 3,1 is there. That means reverse elements, reverse order pair is also there. So combining these two things, here you can see 1,3 belongs to R and 3,1 also belongs to R. So combining these two concepts, we can see, we can actually we can get the conclusion here. R is symmetric property. R is symmetric. That means this relation set satisfying the symmetric property as well. Okay? So whatever the property, reflexive, it may be reflexive, it may be symmetric, transitive. At first we have to construct the relation set. After getting the relation set, after observing the order pairs, whatever relation set comprises, okay, so after that you will consider some order pairs which may follow the reflexive and the symmetric and the transitive property. Okay, so if the order pairs are following these properties, then this relation set is called reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay, so this is the symmetric property. That means in symmetric property, two types of order pairs will have to be there, and the first order pair is A comma B belongs to R and the second order pair is B comma A belongs to R. Okay, so this type of order pairs belongs to the relation set, then the relation is called symmetric. Okay, now you can write also, just rough, okay? And I will provide provide the systematic and well furnished definitions in PDF format. Just you can download also, and some questions will also be solved in PDF and some questions will be solved in video classes also. And regarding this, relating this questions which will be solved in the class, some homeworks and some questions will be provided which may be useful for the board exams and for your practicing also. And after that, the last property is what? Transitive property. अब ट्रांजिटिव प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? ट्रांजिटिव प्रॉपर्टी देखो, ट्रांजिटिव प्रॉपर्टी के लिए तो 3 इंसान चाहिए, 3 ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर गेटिंग दिस ट्रांजिटिव प्रॉपर्टी. Transitive property means relation is being transferred from one person to another person. Okay, so अगर हम लोग तीन दोस्त हैं A B C, देखो ठीक तरह से यहाँ पर हम लोग तीन दोस्त हैं A B C, तीन दोस्त है कि नहीं देखते हैं हम लोग. ठीक है, हम लोग बोल रहे हैं, मैं तुम्हें बोल रहा हूँ, आई विल टेल यू दैट A and B फ्रेंड, एंड B क्या है, फ्रेंड है. B and C क्या है, फ्रेंड है. A and B फ्रेंड है, B and C भी फ्रेंड है. इसलिए A and B फ्रेंड है, B and C भी यहाँ पर फ्रेंड है. बट A और C फ्रेंड नहीं है, वो एक दूसरे को दे डोंट नो ईच अदर. ओके, नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजन, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द रीजन, जस्ट A want to construct a relation with C. Now A wants to construct a relation with C with unknown reason, just for the unknown reason, I don't know. As a third person, actually, I need not to know what is the reason behind this. So, if A wants to construct a relation with C, then A will try to seduce B first, because B has the friendship with C also. Okay. So A first will approach to B, and then B will approach to C. So here B is the middleman here. Okay. So here you can see, here A and B both are friends. So it can be belong to the relation set. And B and C, this order pair also belongs to R. B और C के बीच भी फ्रेंडशिप है, हम लोगों ने बोला है. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, B जाएगा C के पास, C को जाके बोलेगा कि A तुझसे फ्रेंडशिप करना चाहता है. अब C बोलेगा ठीक है, A को मेरे पास लेके आओ, मैं A के साथ फ्रेंडशिप करूंगा. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए तो B को अप्रोच करना पड़ेगा. B will have to be approached, actually have to approach to C. So here, after approaching to C will actually tell the same thing to B here. So okay, actually just tell him to meet with me, then will be discussed later. So after that, here you can see A, B and C, three friends. Friendship between A and B is there, and friendship between B and C there, but there is no friendship between A and C till now. Now we are going to construct a relation between A and C. Now A जाएगा B के पास, B जाएगा C के पास. But after that, after approaching, after completing this whole procedure, the new friendship will be constructed between A and C. A new relation will be constructed between A and C. So after constructing this relation, the new friendship will be made. So after getting this new friendship, a new order pair will be picked. The new order pair will be what? A, C belongs to R. Okay. The new friendship here. So without this middleman B, this new friendship cannot be constructed here. Okay. So if these three order pairs belongs to the relation set, then this relation is called the transitive property as well. Now if you take an example here, just R equals to 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, and 3, 4. Now 3, suppose 5, 3, 7, okay, and then 3, 9, okay. Now here you can see 1, 3, this order pair belongs to the relation set, right? 3, 7 also belongs to the relation set. So here we can see this 3 is the middleman. 1, 3, 7. Friendship between 1 and 3 and 3 and 7. Here it is. So after that, if there is any order pair regarding this 1 and 7, then this relation is called a transitive relation. So here you can see 1 comma 7 is also there. So there is 1 comma 7. This order pair belongs to the relation set. So if this 3 order pair belongs to this relation set, then this relation is called what? Transitive relation. So that means concisely we can say, if you want to construct a transitive relation, then we need to take 3 elements at a time. So within these 3 elements, 2 elements A and B have a friendship relation, and B and C have a friendship relation. But there is no friendship relation between A and C. But it is going to be constructed, okay, by the help of B. So B is the middleman here. So if B helps A, then the new friendship relation will be constructed. So here you can see the middleman is B. Here this order pair 1 comma 3, 3 comma 7. Here middleman is what? 3. So 3 is the middleman. Then after that 1 comma 7 order pair should be there in the same relation set. So here you can see 1 comma 7 order pair belongs to the same relation set. That's why this relation is called what? The transitive relation. Okay. So concisely we can say that for getting this reflexive, symmetric and transitive property, at first, according to the question, whatever is given in the question, we have to construct the relation first, relation set first. After getting the set, after getting the order pair collections, we have to consider the order pairs, whatever is actually is discovered, whatever is found by the solvings, actually by the proper solvings. Then after that, this reflexive, symmetric and transitive will be checked. Property will be checked, whether it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive or not. So here, so combining these 3 things, so whenever you will write the definition of the transitive property, then you need to mention these 3 order pairs: A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, A comma C belongs to R. The combine, if these 3 order pairs belongs to the same relation set, then R is what? Transitive. Then R is what? Transitive. Okay. So R is transitive. So combining these 3 properties, when a relation set is called equivalence relation. Actually, this equivalence relation is not a separate property, is not a individual property. Actually, this equivalence relation is a dependent property, and it is dependent on the previous, this last 3 properties. And the last 3 properties are what? Reflexive, symmetric and transitive. If a relation satisfies all of the 3 properties, that means I mean to say reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then this relation set is called equivalence relation. So here you can see this relation satisfying reflexive, symmetric and transitive property. That's why this relation is called the equivalence relation. Okay. Now if I take an example, here actually this randomly just I have discussed these 3 properties. Now let us move to an example. Okay. So if I take an example just like if a relation set is given R, the question will be like that: if R is relation on n natural number, okay, and it is given by given by R equals to this relation set order pair A comma B, such that A and B can be chosen from the natural number set, and the condition is what? A equals to B. Suppose A equals to B. So this is the relation set. Now check whether it is equivalence, or not. equivalence or not. You have to check whether it is equivalence or not. So for getting this equivalence property, you need to solve the three properties at first, and the three properties are reflexive, symmetric, and transitive property. Now let me move to the reflexive property. One by one, we will solve these things. Okay, solve these three properties. So here, R equals to the relation set. You need to write the given parts first. A comma B belongs to the natural number set, and A equals to B here. Okay, it is your relation set. Now, for the reflexive property, so reflexive property, यहाँ पर देखो, the relation, this order pair belongs to the relation set. Here it is given that a order pair A comma B belongs to this relation set. So A comma B belongs to the relation set on which condition? A equals to. So that means if the values of A and B will be same, then a relation can be constructed here. Okay. So I think you have the previous knowledge regarding this relation procedure and relation structure also. So if you don't have the knowledge, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will make you clear. Okay. So if A equals to B, the values of A and B are same, then the relation between A and B will be constructed. This is very simple and the basic question. Now for the reflexive property, as I told you, for the reflexive property, the relation need to be constructed between two same elements or two same human beings. Just like if I am A, then the relation will have to be constructed with A only. That means A comma A order pair will have to belong to the relation set as well. So that's why if A equals to B here, A equals to B. Now the order pair, this condition, it is condition, and this condition supposed to be satisfied first, and after that you will get the conclusion whether it is reflexive or not. Okay. So A equals to A. Because A equals to B, we can replace B by A also, because the values are same here. So if A equals to A, is it right? Is it right? And for whatever the values of A equals to A, 1 equals to 1. If you plot the values of A here, whatever the values it is, no need to consider, just you can think in your mind here. And the examiner actually will also think like that. Actually A equals to 1, A equals to 1, 1 equals to 1, 2 equals to 2, 3 equals to 3, 4 equals to 4, 5 equals to 5, 6 equals to 6, just like that. So here, for the same values of A, the values will be same. It is naturally it will be same. So A equals to A, that means if the values are same, the condition is satisfied here. That means whatever the values of A and B, that must be equal. So here you can see A equals to A. That means the order pair becomes A comma A, and it was A comma B. Just we have put A in place of B. Okay, so that's why the order pair becomes, in place of B we should write A here. So A comma A belongs to R. We can see in the reflexive property when I discussed this reflexive property as well. Just see this discussion, A comma A belongs to R. When this type of order pair belongs to the relation set, then this relation is called what? Reflexive. Okay. After that now symmetric property. Now for the symmetric property, the same thing need to be right here. A comma B and A equals to B. It is the given condition. Okay. So here for the symmetric property, the position will be changed. That means in place of B we have to write A, and in place of A we have to write B. That means, just as I told you, That means if you are changing their positions, the friendship will not be changed, the relation will not be changed. Here we have to check whether this relation is being changed or not. Here A and B both are interchanging their positions. Okay, both are interchanging their positions. Now if A replace B and B replace A, then the condition will be B equals to, okay, तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, A equals to B और B equals to A, दोनों तो एक ही बात है ना यहाँ पर. So यहाँ पर obviously it is the same thing, both are same thing. So A equals to B and B equals to A, if they are same, that means what? The condition is satisfied here. The equal sign is satisfied. Okay, this equal sign, if this equal sign will be satisfied, then the condition is satisfied. If the condition is satisfied, then all is well. All is well, just like the 3 idiots. Okay. So this implies the order pair B comma A belongs to what? R. So here we have started with the order pair A comma B, and we have proved that B comma A belongs to R. So if this two order pair belongs to the same relation set, then R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Okay? R is symmetric. Now, transitive property. Now for the transitive, as I told you, 3 elements or 3 numbers are required. Just we have to choose 3 numbers, A, B, C, belongs to the given set. I think the natural number set is given. Here, a friendship between A and B is there. So order pair A comma B belongs to R. Again, a friendship between B and C is also there. So that means the order pair B comma C belongs to R. Now we have to prove whether there is any relation between A and C or not. Okay. So for proving this concept, is there any relation between A and C? Just see here. A comma B belongs to R. Here, A comma B belongs to R. When it is possible? When A equals to B, according to your given condition. When the values of A and B are same, then the relation between A and B can be constructed. So if this order pair A comma B belongs to R, then A and B must follow this condition here. So again, this order pair B comma C belongs to R, this relation set, again the same thing, B equals to C. Okay, B and C must be equal here. So that's why this equation number 1, and combining these 2 equations, A, just dono को combine करो, just combine these 2 equations, A equals to B equals to C. So A equals to B equals to C. Can I write A equals to C here? Obviously, we can write A equals to C. So it is our target. I think our target was what? Our target was to construct the relation between A and C. And when it is possible, actually the construction between A and C, the relation construction between A and C, when the values of A and C will be equal, then the order pair A comma C belongs to the relation set. Here we can see, you can clearly see that A equals to C. So that means if the values of A and C are same, then the relation between A and C can be constructed as well. So this implies order pair A comma C belongs to R. So here we can conclude that so here A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, and A comma C belongs to R. So R is transitive. Okay, so R is what? Transitive. तो यहाँ पर देखो आर रिफ्लेक्सिव भी हो गया, सिमेट्रिक भी हो गया, ट्रांजिटिव भी हो गया. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? आर इज इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन. So यहाँ पर you have to write the statement, the final statement. Since the given relation, this given relation satisfying reflexive, symmetric and transitive property, then R is what? Equivalence relation. So here it is the way how to prove the equivalence relation, and any kind of relation set may be given, and it is the only way to solve this kind of questions. And some questions may be there which where the number set will be given, and we will solve this kind of questions also, and one by one we will solve every kinds of questions, no problem, because actually this is the preparatory preparatory classes means the basic classes. So actually I don't want to extend these classes more and more. So in the next classes, that means tomorrow, we will discuss the different or 2-3 types questions again, and in that type questions we will solve various kinds of relationships. Here the basic question it is, just like this we will solve, and some advanced level questions will be solved. Okay, so today actually the class is over, and after that this 12 classes you need to practice well, and you need to practice properly. Okay? Just in this quarantine day, just use it, because as you all know that we are isolated from the social gathering, and for staying healthy, we have to be isolated from the social gatherings and social interactions, any kind of social functions, and the religious congregations. So we have to stay at home. If you are staying at home, that means just utilize your time here. So you have enough time. You have no schools, you have no colleges, you have no something you have to do. So if you don't have anything to do, then just write and just solve these questions, this type of questions. If you have, and here I can provide, here I can actually give you the suggestion that you should buy the R.D. Sharma book. For the board standard, it is very useful book, and for the inter studies also. It is not actually sufficient for the inter studies, but the board studies, this R.D. Sharma book, actually including the NCERT book. Textbook is very important. Including this NCERT book, just try to solve the R.D. Sharma books. Here I am here, and I will solve, and I will try my best to solve each and every questions of this R.D. Sharma books. Okay, and I will tell you which question is important for board, which question is important for entrance. Okay, so those who are interested in board studies, they will solve the board questions as well, and those who are interested in the entrance studies and the board studies as well, so they will solve all questions. Okay, so this additional book is very important. Okay, so just try to solve these questions, and whatever will be discussed in the class, and whatever will be given as your homework. Okay, so and stay safe and stay healthy, and try to maintain the social distance from the infected people, those who have the flu, and whatever the flu it is, it may be influenza also, but you have to actually maintain this distance, because any kind of flu, you don't know what type of flu he has, so just keep distance from that kind of people, and don't be gathered anywhere, and stay safe and stay isolated. Thank you very much.